right, it's Sunday morning, and don't look now, but we have visitors. We have visitors at the fence line. They just came walking around the corner. It's a family of sandhill cranes. We have two little juvenile babies, it looks like, and two parents. And they're just walking through our backyard, looking for grubs, I guess. Very pretty. We've got some real cool bird life in Florida, don't we?
Oh man, do we ever.
Wow.
Big birds.
Big birds. These are big birds.
Big herons.
Big birds in the
cranes.
backyard.
I've had pelicans and spoonbills.
Yeah. The babies are almost kind of brown, aren't they?
Yeah.
That's cool. I love the sandhill cranes of Florida. Big birds. We're just rounding out our Sunday breakfast. Eggs and bacon, full throttle eggs. Here we are again. All right, looks like those birds are just gonna hang out back there. Quite a sight. Bye-bye.